What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. So today we want to talk about what is the signs of your water pump is going bad. And the reason why I had to bring this one up, because it happened to your boy mom. You know what I'm saying? She called me, she was like, yo, something's going on with my car. I'm like, alright, I'll be there. So decided that I had to go check it out, popped it. I'm like, oh shoot. The signs is, if just hypothetically speaking, that you are doing your routine checkup underneath of the hood, you pop the hood of your vehicle and you're looking around and you see your antifreeze is low and you're looking like, yo, when the last time I put that in there? Alright, cool. And you decided to put some antifreeze in there, and then you put antifreeze in there, and then a few weeks later you like, yo, something's not right. You decide to pop the hood again and you look and you like, yo, something's not right. That is empty again. So the coolant leak is one of the signs that your water pump is going bad. You may experience overheating of the vehicle. If your vehicle is overheating, make sure you pull over to the side of the road and let your vehicle cool down before you start driving, because you don't want to cause more problems than a little bit. It could just be the water pump right now, but if you continue on driving your vehicle while it's overheating, yeah, that's a more problem than a little bit, and you don't want those problems. It can just be a few $100. I wouldn't say few $100. It'd probably be like a couple of hundreds to fix the water pump. But if you decided to drive it while it's overheating, yeah, it may cost you thousands. Get in the car and crank your vehicle up, and you hear your car squealing like this, and you looking like, yo, if that's my car, why my car crying? Yeah, the tensioner or the water pump is squealing, being letting you know, hey, it's time to replace your boy. How much it costs to replace your water pump? Maybe about $500 or $600, but that is a small investment into the vehicle. Yeah, I know I said small. You know, from a long shot, I'm gonna be honest with you, $500, I'm looking like, yo. But you know, you save it up, you be like, all right, cool. But if that's your vehicle and they're gonna get you from A to B, yeah, you'll spend that $500 to get that water pump replaced, and boom. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd fam, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.